You guys deserve an explanation, and I'm gonna give it to you. It's been a minute. Hope everyone's doing good. I've been doing all right. I'm gonna keep it super short and sweet. I have to rebuild it. In my last video, which was like 3 months ago, 4 months ago, however long it was, everything was fine. It was driving good. It was smooth. And it was. If that wasn't a lie at all. It'd be like 2 or 3 weeks after I had made that, I got a crank no start. I replaced a ton of stuff. I replaced the fuel pump relay, replaced the cam sensor. I replaced my battery. I thought I had low voltage. My fuel pump is priming. Everything's good. I'm getting fuel up to the front of the car, spraying out the injectors. I did everything I could do to diagnose, except compression test.
Why are you running?
I was either really afraid of doing it or I maybe lost a bit of motivation. I'm not gonna lie. I only got the cylinders 2 and 4. Number 2 was at 100 and number 4 was at 40.
Are you serious?
So I didn't even attempt to do 1 and 3 because as soon as I saw 40 on number 4, I knew I was probably cooked. I haven't made a single video or done any sort of content at all for you guys this year, and I'm really, really sorry. I've just been honestly dealing with a lot of personal shit. I won't lie, I'm like a little upset because I really thought I had done everything right, and this isn't to say that I did anything wrong, because I don't actually think I did anything wrong. I checked timing and I did everything I could do. Even my timing was right. It just, I think some valves got burnt. There's not anything I can do about that. Maybe it was running rich. I have no idea. I have no clue. I'm gonna pull it out, try to see what's going on. I might be able to get away with just doing a cylinder head replacement, like both sides, obviously. Now you guys know. I'm like really, really upset because I wanted to be able to drive it to Wicked Big again this year.
Okay.
I still think I'll go. I really want to. I enjoyed it last year. I'm upset because my fucking car doesn't work now. Besides that though, literally nothing else has been going on. I've honestly been kind of just taking it easy, trying to save my money, just chill. Trying to save for another car. I don't know what it is yet, but I am just trying to save for another vehicle because it is time. Whether it's a drift car, a daily car, or whatever it is. I don't know, just need another car. I'm gonna fix this one over here. I haven't done anything to it at all. I've been kind of just like sitting, being a couch potato for a little bit. Had that seasonal depression hitting me real hard, so trying to get out of it now. I also threw a TV in the garage because I was sick of it being super quiet and like depressing in here. Cleaned up in here a little bit, tried to get myself some more space. Yet again, another rebuild. Peace out, y'all, and I will see you in the next video. And again, appreciate y'all for watching.